Alright, we're going to do a couple of quick tests here. So I'm going to hit the power button. And we'll see this thing boot. Okay, so that was about 36 seconds to boot. I think you said it was 2 hours before. Alright, I'm going to hit the space bar and put in the pin. And we'll see when it's finished loading up stuff here. So Windows, still going, 10, 11, 12. Alright. So about 18 seconds it was done loading everything, and it was perfectly usable during that time. I was videotaping, so I wasn't using. But yeah, so if you want to open a couple of things real quick, I'll open so I can browse around on the computer. Users. Here we are. Close that. Thank you for the update there, Miho. Alright, then we'll click a couple of, that was Amazon. Here's a Yahoo. Here's a Smith Brothers Farm, so we'll go click that one. Okay, that's cool. Close that out. Say I want to go back and go find a file. Go back into pictures or whatever. Alright, the next thing I want to see is reboot. So I'm going to hit restart. And we'll see how long this takes. Restarting. Alright, it's already shut down. Alright, so that was about, oh, I lost the count. Okay, this is a minute or so. You can test it when you get your hands on it. Okay, so as soon as I log in with the PIN number there, I can go ahead and, let me see, I'll open an Internet Explorer or Explorer window, not Internet Explorer, Edge, and browse the computer. And this is still loading down here. I mean, so it's just finishing up right now. I'm just showing you it was loading, and I'm loading multiple things too, and downloading the internet, and it's finished now over here anyway. So yeah, it should be about 150 times better than it was, and I have not restored this. So this is your original install, just cleaned up. So you can tell me if you still want to do a clean install. We can do a clean install of Windows and then put all your stuff back in there. But it's running pretty good without doing any. I just cleaned it up. Took a lot of things off of your startup. That's why you have, you know, icons. Like here's an example of Microsoft Teams. Well, Teams and everything else was down here starting up when you boot. Well, you don't need them on startup. You need it to wait for your command when you click on it, and then it opens, right? So I took all that off at startup. I killed all those notifications that you had that were popping up and popping up and popping up. So that won't happen anymore. If you get those in the future, go right down there to your notifications, click on it, and at the top it says manage notifications. You can go to manage, and you can scroll down this list, and whatever it was that's popping up that's annoying you, then you can scroll down this list and turn off the notifications on that program. So some of those were suggested, AMD Radeon, the Adobe Creative Cloud, those things were popping up over here. I just shut them all off. So that won't happen anymore. If you get some more, that's where you go to kill them. Alright, then we'll talk to you next week. Later.